Okay. Now today's concept is exceptional link. Today morning we discussed, and I'm continuing the same concept, exceptional link in PHP. See in this exceptional link. Normally in exceptional link, what happens? Try block is there, catch block is there. Try in error rising code, error coming code, we keep in the try block. Try is coupled with the catch block. Without catch, there is no try. Okay. By using throw keyword also we throw the error. Try catch are important for the exceptional link. Here in this example, function we are creating a function check number, and if that number is greater than or equal to 1, we show the error message. We create exception object and showing that error. Otherwise, we return true. Okay, try. We are keeping try block. Normally, exception raising code we keep in the try block. Here check num of 2. We are sending 2 to the check num function. Means whatever logic is there, the function logic is there for the check num. It is in the try block. As a meaning, check num function is called in the try block. Means check num function definition is in the try block. As a meaning, means inside try check num function will be executed with the number 2. But if number is 2, what happens in that function? If number is greater than 1, then we are creating exception type object and providing value. Num value must be 1 or below 1. Below. Okay, with that message, we are passing to constructor of exception class, exception constructor. We are creating exception object and throwing. Inside the try. Throw is there in try as a meaning. Inside try block, that exception is thrown. Then control goes to the catch block. Here catch argument is exception type. For the object, throwing object, their throwing object type also exception. Because we wrote throw new exception of, means exception object we are creating and throwing. This catch also is having same argument. Catch contains argument, exception type argument. Okay, this argument contains the information which is thrown by throw keyword. So we get the message inside catch echo message. Echo message. $E is the variable of the argument, exception argument. Get message is the function. Get message is the function. That function returns the message which way stored, in the object. That is, value must be 1 or below. That message will be displayed on the screen by using get message function. Get message display the message which we already gave. Okay, once again I am teaching you this program. Inside the PHP logic, we have defined the function check num function. Just a minute, somebody. Okay, we define the check num function. If that number is greater than 1, what we're doing, we are creating object of exception class. That is by writing new space exception of, means exception class type object we are creating with the help of new keyword. To the constructor of exception, we give the value. Which value? Value must be 1 or below. That value we give to the constructor. Means that value is stored in the object. Then throw keyword throws the exception object. This is the definition of the function. Next in try block, we are simply calling the function by passing the value to. Means the definition of the check num function is executed inside, is kept inside the function, inside the try block. It is the meaning. Okay, the checknum function definition is in the try block. That is the meaning of this statement. Here, then the checknum function executes with the value 2, but while executing, if what the condition, if 2 is greater than 1, false, sorry, 2 is greater than 1, true. So what is happening? My exception type object is creating. In that object, value must be 1 or below that message is stored, and it is thrown by the throw keyword. Inside try it is thrown, so control goes to the catch. Which catch? The catch which contains the exception type argument. That catch will be executed. Means in that catch we are calling the function get message. This function simply returns the message which we already stored in the object. Okay, that is the value must be 1 or below. That is message will be shown with the help of get message. Get message is the function of exception class, inbuilt function. This function returns the value which we stored in the exception object. This is the logic of that try catch blocks program. One more program we are seeing here. It is for creating and raising user defined exception. So we are creating class. This is the way of creating class. In the practical list, I gave the second practical, that is creating class and object for the prime number checking. This is the model. We are creating class custom exception. Custom. We are creating class with the name custom exception, which is inherited by exception class. Exception is the parent class. By exception class, we are creating custom exception class. Inside that, we are defining the function error message. In that, we put same logic. Okay, inside the function, what we are putting, we are creating variable error message. So that error on line so and so get line with the by using the get line function, we are showing so and so line is having error in so and so file. In which file? Your program file. It returns the name of your program file. ये program का जो file है उसका नाम return करेगा. The get message, it shows the error message. It means we are displaying the message like inbuilt messages. Inbuilt message ऐसा ही आते हैं. In that manner, we are trying to show the message. How it shows? It shows message error on, for example, line number 2. Error on line 2 in, for example, this file name is user exception.php. In user exception.php, get message returns the error message. Value something like value should be 1 or below. That type of message. Not a valid mail address means so and so address means get message return the address, mail address. In this example, we are passing the message mail address, some mail address. That mail address is not the valid. In that manner, it shows the message. Return error message means this entire message we are returning from the function. Means what is the function name? The function name is error message. This function simply returns the message which we stored in the error message variable. How it returns? It returns by using return statement, return error message. What is the error message? In error message variable, error on the on the online to, for example, to in user exception dot php, so and so something, Raju example at gmail.com is not a valid mail address in that manner. Return error message means that entire message is returning. Next, email address we are storing this email address someone at example.com. This is our email address example.com. Here is our email address. Try if filer underscore where file if filter underscore where email comma filter underscore where validate underscore email equal false. मतलब if that email is the wrong email, then we are throwing which one custom exception type object. To that object what we are giving, see here I am giving the dollar email means we are giving the email address to that constructor, so that control directly jumps to the function. Means constructor means this custom exception object is creating here. In that object your email address is stored. So then throw keyword throws the custom address object address. Then control goes to the catch block. Catch is having custom exception type argument. Custom means we are creating a custom exception object and storing some email address on that object, and by using throw keyword we are throwing. So catch gets that address of that object because catch is having here argument custom exception type. So then it shows error symbol error message means we are calling the function error message function. So that function will display the message. Which function? This one, error message function. Return keyword is there. That keyword returns the message. See, this is example for multiple catches. We can put multiple catches to the single try. See here.
हेलो सर,
हेलो, हाँ बताना.
प्रोजेक्ट को अलाउ करो.
Just a minute. Okay, see here. Here try is there, try block. To the try block, how many catches are there? See there. One catch is with the custom exception. One more catch is with the exception argument. Means one try can have any number of catches. This is the example. In this, what is happening? Custom exception class we are creating from the exception class. So we define the function error message. That means same error we are storing and then returning the error message. So next some email address is there, that is someone at example.com. This is our email address. In the try block, if error where means it is the function, it validates the email address. If that email address is valid, okay. Otherwise, if that email address is not valid, then what happens? It we create the custom exception type object with the email address and throwing that object. So control goes to the Control goes to the catch block. Inside try we are throwing. This is the catch. Custom exception will be executed. Then we are searching for the string. Example in the main string. If that string is not found, we are creating and throwing exception type object. Then exception type catch will be executed. Depending upon the error, particular exception catch will be executed. See, here two brackets are there. One bracket is for if, one bracket is for the if, second is for try. So catch is included. Depending upon the error, particular catch will be executed. Now see, finally we need to follow few rules for the exception. What are the rules? First one, the exception code should be in the try block. Exception code should be in the try block. Second one, try block should be coupled with the catch block. Try block should be coupled with the catch block, at least one catch block. Okay, one more point. One try can have any number of catches. One try can have any number of catches. Exception can be thrown by using throw keyword. Even if we can rethrow also. Catch में फिर से throw कर सकते. Rethrow. For example, inside try we are throwing. Control goes to catch block. In catch, once again we can throw. In catch, once again we can throw. It is called rethrowing. Okay, you study all these things. This is regarding exception handling. In this, what is important? What is try block? What is catch block? How to create user-defined exception? Which inbuilt class is inherited for the user-defined exception? Okay, what is the use of get message? How many catches can be attached to the single try block? And what is the use of throw keyword? All these things you need to study. These are the important points in that exception handling.